guys. Um, I got a new mom box today, so we're gonna open that. I'm super excited. But I do have a fairly significant mess going on in my art room right now. Yesterday we went to IKEA and got some new organizing things, which is super exciting. But it's also a disaster because all my stuff is all over the place. So I am relegating you to this corner of my art room for today. So we have a little different angle going on. And the window is making my screen kind of like go from white to color. I have new curtains ordered. Here's what happens. I have a window right here, which I love. But if I close the curtain, my curtain is really colorful. And it like makes me kind of green on camera. So I have white curtains ordered. But I think that looks better than, at least you can see now. So here it is. I've opened it. Exciting. Check this out. Hollywood Melodies. Awesome sheet music. I mean, we can't have too much sheet music, right? I use it in everything. Column paper. I also use that in almost every book I make. Love it. All right, for those who are new here, my mom lives in the Midwest and I live in Arizona, and she is the thrifting and garage sale queen, and she goes out and finds me all cool things to use in my art and my journals and miscellaneous. And she's really good at it. So a bingo card, how cute is that? It looks like some more tags, which is good. I just used up the last of that color that I had. What are these? Oh, they're like little game pieces or something. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I don't know what they are, but they're super cute. And they're different. They're like, they're plastic. Maybe they're magnets. It's hard, let's see. I have something metal here. Nope, not magnets. Yeah, I don't know, but they're super cute. That would be a fun thing to put in an itty bitty ephemera kit. Only select few though, so maybe in the future. Cute little vintage Christmas cardboard. Miscellaneous cute paper. Oh boy. Patterns. I use, oh, there's another bingo page. I use patterns for wrapping a lot of my stuff, and I use the instructions for pages, and I use the covers for pages, so patterns are gold. Old Yahtzee score sheets. Who remembers playing Yahtzee on score pads like that? I do. Seam binding, always handy. I have a drawer for that. More seam binding. Like to put those on the edges of pages. What are these? Little tiny stickers. Hero, I don't know, like maybe Spanish? Can you see that? I don't know, the camera's having a hard time focusing. Cute little stickers though. I love that. Those will definitely be cute. Speaking of itty bitty ephemera packs, more plastic containers for itty bitty ephemera packs. I love those. Photo corners. This is really cute. Vintage peppermint patty box. Okay, I'm gonna assume there's not peppermint patties in there, but there's something in there. What is it? Oh, fun. A little wooden bingo tokens and little poker chips. And they're like the cardboard kind of poker chips. I don't know what that material is called. Pressed paper, whatever. Very cool. This would be cute in journals, huh? Oh, look at this. Bingo cards galore. My mom rocks. She's got this down to a science, let me tell you what. Very cool. Love those. Playing cards. I actually feel like I used to have these playing cards. So, these are Lake Superior playing cards. I may not get rid of those because my husband grew up on Lake Superior and that holds a special place in our heart. So I'm gonna set those aside. Excuse me. Author's card game. That's cool. Different authors. How neat is that? Nice finds, Mom. Alright, we got some fabric scraps. Always good for scrappy tags and snippet rolls and what have you. Oop, measuring tape. I love these old measuring tapes. Oh, this is like an old soapbox or something. I don't want to take the time to take it apart right now because, oh, we're already at 7 minutes. Go faster, Ricky. Okay, tags. Awesome. I always use those. Some lace. More patterns. These are some cool, like, they're index cards, but they're colored, but they're not lined. But cute. We'll use them. And these, oh my gosh, score! These are index cards, and they're plain white. They're not lined either. But I love getting, she finds these secondhand, and I love that because then we're not contributing to environmental decline. We're saving things from going to the garbage or whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. I love that. Some instructions for a game and more bias tape. And oh, that's I might need to keep this. This is a cute vintage picture of two kids in a cart with a goat. I love goats. I do. I love them. They're so adorable. Look at all these tags. It looks like they're pre-aged. Cool, cool. Something fell out. It was little. I'm gonna have to find it later because I'm gonna run out of time. I should have did a live, then I wouldn't have to worry about the time, but whatever. Another cool old box, and oh, these are cool. Look at these trim, so cute. Some zippers. I'm gonna try putting some zippers on the edge of a journal page. It's pretty cool. Some garter clips. More measuring tape. More lace. Some little ribbon. Here's a little, it was a button, but the back is not on there, but it'll glue onto a page nicely. More tags and ribbon. So much goodness. And more seam binding and that kind of thing. I'm going fast because I don't want to run out of our time on Instagram. Only allows me 15 minutes on an IGTV, so. Okay, more tags. And then this game is an old game called Touring. it is still, the cards are still sealed. Isn't that cool? She told me about that, so I wasn't surprised, but it's still cool. And then there's another set of the cards that are open, so those are cute. They're cute. And some of these tags, which they're not, I don't know, they're not really tags, but they're cool. They got the rounded edges. I'm thinking I might type quotes onto them, something like that. And a ledger. Oh, we love ledgers so much. So cool. Thank you, Mom. Awesome, awesome box. My mom's the best. Nobody can have her. All right, that's it for today, you guys. A couple miscellaneous things. Thanks for watching. Until next time.